Hi, everybody. When you're creating a digital breakout, you need to create a set of clues that will lead your game players to the answers to opening up the locks. One of the easiest ways I find to make clues are in Google Slides. By using Google Slides, you can embed the clue as a forced copy, allowing your game players to manipulate the slide. So if they came across this clue after reading a novel, they'd have their characters in quotes, and they could move the quotes around and match them up correctly to whoever said them. And then it would be a color order for a color block on your Google form. To create this slide, it's super easy. First, you're going to insert a table, and this one is 2 by 5. Then you can adjust your table so that the names are smaller. Then to create these movable boxes, all I did was insert a text box. And then I typed my quote. And then you can change the color background and the font to whatever purpose you need it for. I did a similar thing when matching animals to their babies. You could also do this with like states and capitals or with vocab terms that you're studying for a unit, a figurative language and examples. For the next type, we were studying dystopian characteristics. So I inserted, just like I did before, a table, and then I added images that went along with different dystopian characteristics for them to match up. If you want to make things a little bit trickier, you could add a color background and a letter or a number so that they would have to think a little deeper about which lock form that was really an answer to. And then for our example that we're creating, I am doing mitosis. So I found an image and then I used Google Draw to help me blank out the mitosis. And then I cropped the different stages of mitosis and I added a number and the name so they can drag them to wherever they think that they fall in the mitosis cycle. What you're going to want to do if you are using this form is you are going to want to group all things that you want manipulated so that they stick together. That was easier to do up with the text box because you simply changed the background. But if you're adding a letter or a colored background in a letter, or in this case, a stage of mitosis in a letter, you're going to want to group the things together. So if you click Shift and then click all of the elements that you want to group, then you 2-finger click and you go to Group, and now they will move as one cohesive unit when they create their own copy. Once they have the elements in the correct order, it would show our answer, and that will be used in our Google form later when we create our lock. Thanks for watching this video. Check out more to learn different types of clues and how to embed all of it together into your own breakout.